Hi everyone, I'm Prem from Bangladesh.
And I am Amit Developer from Bangladesh.
And so we are presenting our project on the smart old age care system, which is basically existing as a wristband. So before we start to explain our project, we would like to draw attention to an inspirational story which was actually held before we started this project. So please start.
So actually, one of my grandparents actually suffered from paralysis from the from like the down part of his body, and one day he like died on cardiac arrest. So this was the moment when all of my relatives beside him did not knew about his death until a few hours or so, and like that was the situation that I wanted to cure if I could, and that's why this is our project, Smart Old Age Care System.
So our project is basically targeted towards the patients who are belonging to the range of 60 to 70 plus years, and also the people who are suffering from health-related complications. For example, they're suffering from paralysis, the inability to move, or are handicapped or crippled, and people who have certain health complications such as heart attack, cardiac arrest, etc. So our project basically measures the factors and parameters such as the temperature, the pH, the BPM, and the pH of the sweat of the patients to alert the caretakers in hand. So can you explain the ranges, please?
Yes. So the BPM, it's the heart rate and oxygen saturation and also the temperature. These all three of them are sensed by our oximeter. This is the oximeter. And after sensing them, it compares these constants with the taken values that the device takes, and then after comparing it, it shows in the display. It shows in the display, and if the range exceeds, if the like the data that is taken from the body exceeds these ranges, it will send messages to the caretaker and the doctor. And also after
Sure. So these are the parts that we have used in our project, and after the ranges are abnormal, it immediately sends an SMS and calls the doctor and the caretaker, the responsible parties, to alert themselves and take immediate medical actions against them. So this shows the sample SMSs, and the most important advantage of this project is obviously the cost effectiveness of the project, which is basically around 2,217 Indian rupees. So that was actually all about the project.
We have built an app. This is the app. It is very user friendly. Any person can use it. It's data records, then the medical timings, also the contacts, and here's the button to connect to Bluetooth.